Bonjour, it's Théo. Today we are with Chlo.
Hi.
It's your first time on the channel.
Yes, no, I was at
You were-
Brasserie Rosy.
Oh yes, you were at Brasserie Rosy for the dinner that we had with other influencers. And your Instagram is? Say the name.
Chlo with 2K.
2K always. Today we are going to try Riv'K. They opened a pop-up in a place called Bonjour, Bisha. It's a food market in Paris near the Place de la République, and they make some savory and sweet Pain Perdu French toast, and I can't wait to try like a savory French toast. Do you like the French toast? The Pain Perdu?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Let's get inside. Bonjour Bichat, they opened recently, and the different restaurants that they have in the food market change according to the season, and Riv'K for the Pain Perdu, it's just for the summer. So if you want to try this place, you need to come soon. Really a groovy 70s. It's really beautiful. So Bonjour Bisha is a food market. They opened really recently, like a few weeks or months ago, maybe 2 months ago. For the summer, they have different restaurants. You have Riv'K that they make Pain Perdu, some French toast with different recipes, savory and sweet. You have also some African food and also some crispy chicken, and the place looks really nice. I love the vibe. It's a mix of like a cozy family home with some 70s inspiration. I really like the place. You can see the food influencer. She's showing me some food.
That's my whole camera roll.
It's the same. It's the same for me. I have like 70k videos on my phone, just food. Santé.
Santé.
We have the meal for today. We took 2 different French toast, Pain Perdu, as we say in French. You have this one that is the veggie. You have some roasted eggplant inside, hummus. It looks really good. And this one is the fricassé. I think it's like a Lebanese food, if I remember the fricassé.
No, c'est
Like
Tunisian.
Tunisian, not Lebanese. Tunisian sandwich. And you have an egg, like an œuf mollet. So it's like a soft boiled egg, some tuna. It looks gourmand.
It's very good.
And we took this little eggplant salad that looks perfect. I just love the eggplants in any type of form. The Pain Perdu, for those who don't know, it's the name that we say in French for the French toast. Usually it's brioche bread that is put in eggs and milk, and then it's fried on the pan, and it's giving a perfect texture. They use it as the bread for their sandwiches, and I can't wait to see like this brioche bread that is crispy. I think we should try the eggplant salad. Start with that.
Ouais.
It looks amazing.
Ça se voit qu'elle est bien cuite.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, elle est cuite. I think it's fried and with a bit of lemon. It's delicious.
Not too cold, just room temperature. It's so tender, melting in the mouth.
Crushed
Some
nuts.
crushed walnuts. It's a fantastic starter. I'm sad it's just a small plate. I would have loved it as a side, you know. But it's okay because it costs only 4 euros. This one, the veggie, it's about like 11.50, and this one is 30 euros 50. So it's fair enough. It's a good price.
Tellement
Let's try the sandwiches. Maybe the veggie first.
bon. Veggie first. You have roasted eggplants, some peppers.
Okay, you have this bread that is like a brioche bread. It's really, really tender, like so soft. Let's try. Yeah. You have different temperatures. Like the eggplants are a bit warm. You have the hummus, the onions, some crispiness with the raw veggies. I just love the mix of everything. Gives a lot of texture. I would have loved it a little bit more spicy, you know. Some spice or a sauce that gives a different flavor, but it's like a really good veggie sandwich. Too late for the towel.
It's very good. It's very well balanced. It's very soft, and because it's brioche and it's usually something that is eaten with sugary things, it gives the plates some sort of sweet and salty taste, and it's very good. It's very,
And with
very
like the roasted eggplants, when it's roasted caramelized, kind of a little bit sweet also.
Yeah.
So
No,
it's a
perfect.
perfect mix. Really good sandwich for the summer. This one is the fricassé, so it's inspired by a Tunisian sandwich. You say Tunisian. If it's not Tunisian, people you can
Yes,
comment.
You can
comment.
confirm me. But I think it's Tunisian. But I actually never tried
No,
fricassé before.
me neither. So,
Ever.
but you have some harissa. It will be a bit more spicy. You have
Yes.
the egg, some tomato, some tuna also inside.
Okay, I go. This one's my favorite.
Oh, it's better than the veggie.
Yeah, it's a bit more lemony, I think. great texture. It's not too dry because tuna can be a bit dry, but it's not dry at all.
Okay, it's my turn. I need to try this one. I have the biggest part of the egg. Right now I just have the tuna and the bread. It's really good. You have some confit bell pepper, really roasted, really melting. Let's try the egg. I'm not sure about the egg. You don't really need the egg in this one. I think just the tuna, the harissa and the veggies, it's enough. You don't really need the egg. The egg is not the best. I think I prefer maybe the veggie, but the tuna, it's a perfect mix. Not spicy enough for me. I would love more spice. Yeah, I think I will just take off the egg from the sandwich and just eat the sandwich without the egg because you don't need the egg, just the sandwich is good on itself. The bread is nice. It's really nice to have this texture for a sandwich.
I love sandwiches and brioche is one of my favorite sandwiches.
It's not too crispy, it's more like really tender, but it's like a bit buttery, roasted. I really like this texture. Chloe, tell us a little bit more about you. What do you do in your life? You're a food influencer also?
Vibing.
Vibing. The girls vibing.
Yes. I'm also a food influencer, that's how we met. Yeah, I mostly work on social medias. I'm a community manager.
And you do a lot of cooking. You're writing a book right now?
I'm currently writing a cooking book and I'm hoping to become
a chef? A
residential chef. It's like a chef, but it's you're at different restaurants for just a week or two and you make a different menu for each restaurant.
Yeah, it's like pop-up menu.
Yeah, a pop-up restaurant, and that's the plan for next year.
So you need to do that, and we're gonna make a video in your new pop-up.
Oui.
It's in this video that she's saying that she will open a pop-up restaurant.
Yes, hopefully.
Do you know the type of food you want to do? Some
yet.
Eggplants, probably.
Lots
Lots of eggplants.
Bit of pistachio, just a bit.
Pistachio.
Just a bit.
Because you were also in the video about the pistachio pop-up.
Yes.
Yeah, because
You made a video.
Yeah, I don't remember all the video I did. I make a video about the street food in Paris, and you were with your pop-up, pistachio pop-up that you did. She's obsessed with pistachio, but it's delicious. It's time to have a pain perdu. Also for the dessert, this one is more a classic one because you have the big slice of brioche that is like soaked in the milk, the egg, then it's fried. It looks wonderful.
It looks very buttery. Very buttery.
Like you can smell the butter when you get close to it. When I talk about pain perdu, this is what I want. I want this big slice, like really soft, a bit squishy with all the butter and so good, just so good. It's soft.
It's very soft.
You have the praline, it's like an hazelnut paste that is caramelized. So squishy. Let's go. Bah oui, évidemment. So caramelized all around, a bit like sticky on the teeth. It's not too sweet. I will take it with more praline to have like all the sweetness. I would have loved to see this type of pain perdu also for the savory dishes, but they had to use like a smaller one for the sandwiches.
So I tried the praline. Even the praline is not too sugary. It's actually I'm not gonna say it's light, but it's not as sweet as it seems. It's very well balanced.
We're out of Bonjour Bisha. It was a great lunch to discover some pain perdu and savory pain perdu. Don't forget to follow
Chlo,
of course, on social media, if you speak French and you want to see some food and some restaurants in Paris. If you want to explore Paris and discover the French way of life, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post every single day, so see you tomorrow.
À demain.
Parfait.